Introduction. Welcome to Bike Expert, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of motorcycles. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the most anticipated releases of the year, the 2025 Yamaha YZF-R9. This new addition to Yamaha's R series is set to bridge the gap between the R7 and the R1, offering a perfect blend of power, agility, and modern technology. Let's explore what makes the YZF-R9 a true game-changer. A new era for Yamaha's super sport lineup. For years, Yamaha has dominated the super sport segment with legendary models like the R1 and R6. With the 2025 YZF-R9, Yamaha is stepping into a new space, offering a bike that combines high-performance DNA with real-world usability. Designed to appeal to both track day enthusiasts and spirited street riders, the R9 is set to be one of the most versatile sport bikes on the market. The heart of the R9, 890 cubic centimeters CP3 engine. At the core of the YZF-R9 is Yamaha's CP3 engine, a 889 cubic centimeters inline three-cylinder powerhouse derived from the MT-09. This engine delivers a thrilling balance of torque, top-end power, and smooth throttle response. Riders can expect over 115 horsepower, making the R9 a beast on the straights while maintaining excellent rideability in city traffic. Thanks to Yamaha's advanced ride-by-wire throttle, the R9 provides precise control and instant acceleration. The unique cross-plane crankshaft design ensures a distinctive exhaust note and a linear power delivery that keeps the ride engaging at all times. Chassis and handling, built for performance. Yamaha has developed a lightweight aluminum frame for the R9, optimizing rigidity while keeping the overall weight down. This allows for sharp handling, quick transitions, and excellent feedback, making the R9 a formidable machine on twisty roads and race tracks alike. The fully adjustable KYB suspension system ensures that riders can fine-tune their setup for different riding conditions. Whether you're attacking corners at high speeds or cruising through the city, the R9 delivers confidence-inspiring stability. Braking and safety features. Braking performance is just as important as power, and the YZF-R9 does not disappoint. Equipped with dual 320mm front discs and Brembo radial-mounted calipers, the bike offers superior stopping power. The ABS system ensures controlled braking in all conditions, whether you're riding in the rain or pushing the limits on a dry track. To enhance safety and performance, the R9 features a comprehensive suite of electronic aids, including traction control, keeps the rear wheel in check during aggressive acceleration. Slide control system, SCS, reduces unwanted wheel slides. Quick shifter, for seamless upshifts and downshifts without the clutch. Multiple ride modes, adjust power delivery to suit different riding styles. Aerodynamics and rider comfort. Yamaha has taken design inspiration from the YZF-R1.